19 ways to become a woman's weakness. Hey there, it's Anna. So you've tried the old "you are beautiful" or "I like you" and it just doesn't seem to leave the lasting impression that you hoped for. No worries, because today we are diving deep into the authentic and impactful ways to truly resonate with a woman and have her genuinely falling for you. Instead of empty compliments, let's focus on strategies that will make you her ultimate weakness. By the end of this video, you will have a clear strategy to make a memorable connection and be that guy she genuinely cannot resist. Ready to elevate your game and become unforgettable? Let's jump right in. The art of teasing. Playful and light-hearted teasing can be a game changer. Flirtatious teasing, when done right, can be an excellent way to build rapport. It shows that you are comfortable enough with her to engage in playful banter, and it can create a sense of camaraderie. It's all about making her smile and ensuring it's light-hearted, respectful, and never touches sensitive topics. This can make your interactions lively and something she looks forward to. Genuine complimenting. Highlighting her unique attributes, not just the obvious ones. Compliments like "you are beautiful" or "you are nice" are often overused and can come off as insincere. Delve deeper. Notice the details. Maybe she has an infectious laughter, a quirky way of thinking, or a unique talent. Complimenting these nuanced attributes shows that you are genuinely paying attention and value her beyond the superficial. Show, don't tell. Demonstrating your feelings through thoughtful actions rather than words. Actions often speak louder than words. Instead of merely telling her you like her or think that she's special, demonstrate it. Did she mention a book that she loves? Perhaps get it for her as a surprise. Does she have a favourite cafe? Take her there on a date. It's these thoughtful gestures that show you are truly tuned in to what she says and feels. Active listening. Make her feel heard and valued in conversations. In today's world of distractions, active listening, it's a rare skill. By genuinely focusing on what she's saying, asking probing questions, and showing empathy, you are not only gaining insights into her thoughts and feelings, but also making her feel valued and understood. When she speaks, she should feel like she's the only person in the room. The power of mystery. Building an air of intrigue around you and keeping her guessing. Everyone enjoys a good mystery. It's why we are drawn to compelling movies, books, and stories. Creating a subtle air of intrigue about yourself can make you more captivating. This doesn't mean playing manipulative games, but rather not putting everything on the table immediately. Sharing stories over time or occasionally surprising her with something she didn't expect from you can keep her intrigued and eager to know more. Consistency in actions. Ensuring your actions match your words. Make you reliable. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. Consistency in your actions reinforces reliability. If you promise to call, do so. If you set up a date, be punctual. These may seem like small actions, but they send a powerful message about your character and show that she can rely on you. Creating memorable experiences, building unique memories together, setting you apart from others. Instead of the usual dinner and movie date, think outside the box. Engage in activities that neither of you have tried before, whether it's taking a dance class, hiking to catch a sunrise, or cooking a meal together. Shared unique experiences can strengthen your bond. These moments set you apart from others and build a rich tapestry of shared moments. Future projections, talking about potential shared experiences or adventures, making her excited for what's to come. When you talk about future shared adventures or experiences, even in a playful or hypothetical manner, it gives her a glimpse into what life with you might be like. This could be as simple as, imagine if we took a road trip to the mountains next summer, or one day we should definitely make sushi together. This plants a seed of excitement and shows that you are considering a future with shared moments. Learn her love language. Understand if she values acts of service, words of affirmation, or another love language. Every individual expresses and perceives love differently. So by understanding her love language, be it physical touch, quality time, acts of service, words of affirmation, or receiving gifts, you can tailor your interactions to make her feel truly cherished. For instance, if her love language is acts of service, doing something helpful for her like running an errand will resonate deeply. Challenge her. Encourage her to step out of her comfort zone, showing her that you care about her growth. Being with someone who pushes you to be the best version of you can be invigorating. So by challenging her in a positive way, whether it's motivating her to pursue a forgotten hobby or encouraging her to conquer a fear, you are showing that you are invested in her happiness and personal growth. Supportive feedback. Offering constructive and helpful feedback can deepen the bond. Everyone appreciates someone who can gently point out areas of improvement without coming off as critical. Offering feedback is a caring manner, especially when she seeks it, showcasing that you are not only an active listener, but someone who genuinely wants the best for her. Sincere admiration. Focus on her passions, dreams, or achievements rather than just physical attributes. While complimenting her appearance is appreciated, focusing on her dreams, passions, and achievements elevates the admiration. Recognizing the hard work she's put into her career or the dedication she's shown towards a passion project can make your admiration stand out. It goes beyond the surface and tells her that you value her for who she is as a person, not just for how she looks. Engaging in deep conversations. Moving beyond small talk and delving into meaningful topics. Surface level conversations can only get you so far. By engaging in deep conversations, you are showcasing a genuine interest in her thoughts and experiences. Whether it's discussing life goals, passions, or even complex societal topics, the depth can strengthen the bond and make your interactions more memorable. Being vulnerable. Share personal experiences or stories that showcase your vulnerability. In a world where many try to put their best face forwards, showing vulnerability can be a breath of fresh air. Sharing personal stories or experiences that might show you in a less than perfect light indicates trust and authenticity. It tells her that you are human, relatable, and secure enough in yourself to share those moments. Build trust, displaying honesty and integrity in your interactions. Trust is foundational in any budding relationship. Displaying honesty in your interactions, even when it's challenging, ensures she knows she can rely on you. From being punctual for dates to keeping promises, these little tokens of integrity can make a significant impact. Respect her space. Give her room to breathe, reinforcing your respect for her independence. As the old saying goes, if you love something, set it free. Respecting her space, be it by not bombarding her with messages or understanding when she needs a night out with friends, showcases maturity. It tells her that you value her independence and see her as an individual, not just a part of your world. Subtle touches. A gentle touch on the arm or back can speak louder than words. Physical touch, when done respectfully and consensually, can be a potent communicator. Subtle touch, like a hand on the back or arm, can convey warmth, safety, and genuine affection. It's an unspoken way to say, "I'm here and I care," and can make her feel both acknowledged and cherished. Growth together. Encourage both personal and mutual growth, showing her that you are in it for the long run. Relationships aren't static, they are ever evolving. By encouraging growth, both individual and as a pair, you are signaling that you can see a future together. Whether it's supporting her in her personal pursuits or setting mutual goals like fitness targets or learning a new skill together. This encouragement demonstrates commitment and the desire to progress hand in hand. Remember the details. Recall minor details from previous conversations showing genuine care and attention. Remembering the little things like a favorite book or how she takes her coffee can make a huge difference. It tells her that you are genuinely attentive and that she's important enough for you to remember these nuances. In a world full of fleeting interactions, this level of attention stands out and reaffirms your genuine interest in her as a person. You've just unlocked the secrets to becoming her soft spot. Want to know if she's checking you out? Dive into clues that she finds you eye-catching or uncover the silent ways she's saying that she's into you. Your journey does not end here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.